So why to smash your heads sitting for hours in front of the textbook as I am there to solve your problems? Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So let's see the first question. Of the following conditions, in which condition LA is ineffective? Edema, localized infection, hematoma or anemia? The answer is localized infection, because the electrically charged chemical species cannot cross the biological membrane through an inflamed tissue or infections. And hematoma is an area of blood which collects outside the blood vessel. The next question is, how will you check the TMJ movement? MRI, traditional tomography, or by arthrography, or by computerized tomography? The answer is arthrography. Arthrography is a series of images of a joint after injecting a contrast medium. In MRI, the contrast is injected into the vein, whereas in arthrogram, the contrast is injected directly into the joint. The next question is, a patient comes with fracture in the right side of his face. The clinical features in that patient was ecchymosis around the orbit in right side only, subconjunctival bleeding and limited mouth opening. So what is your diagnosis? Lefort 1, Lefort 2 or Lefort 3 fracture, or it's the zygomatic fracture? The answer is zygomatic fracture. The detailed explanation of all the types of the facial fractures I have explained with the pictorial representations and the clinical features in my previous slide, the link of which I will be displaying in my description box. Next question is, what is MTA? That is mineral trioxide aggregate, or metal trioxide aggregate, or mineral tetraoxide aggregate? The answer is mineral trioxide aggregate. MTA contains pot-lad cement which is combined with the bismuth oxide powder for the radio opacity. Now what is pot-lad cement consist of? It mainly consists of the tricalcium silicate, dicalcium silicate, tricalcium aluminate, tetracalcium aluminoferrite and calcium sulfate. Its uses are, it creates a apical plug during epexification, it repairs the root perforations during root canal treatment, and it's also used in the treatment of the internal resorption cases. Acute abscess is which of the following? Cavity lined by epithelium, cavity containing pus cells, cavity containing blood cells, or the cavity containing fluid? The answer is cavity containing pus cells. Acute abscess is a collection of the pus due to bacterial infections inside the teeth or gums. The various types of abscess are gingival, periodontal and the periapical, of which the gingival abscess is found only in the gum tissue and does not affect the PDL. The periapical abscess affects the pulp of the tooth, whereas the periodontal abscess affects the supporting bone tissue structures. The next question is, what is the best media for keeping avulsion tooth? In water of the same temperature of room, in milk of same temperature as that of room, or in cold water, or in cold milk? The answer is cold milk. Cold milk helps in keeping the periodontal ligament fibers healthy during the transport. The patient's own saliva or water is a secondary choice. So I hope you must have enjoyed watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, share the videos and also give your valuable feedbacks. So I will be coming up next time. See you. Take care.